Ushaka ko bamwogeza amabya.
What does that mean?
Ndabiya nyuma muri kumva ndabiya
Lazima nashaka ko bamwogereza amabya.
Ibere barabwira ndera ndi kubyumva. Ari barabwira gukoza ibyago kubuza ibyago biki.
What does that mean? Guys, don't laugh. Guys, what does that mean? Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing? What is funny? I mean,
you guys are laughing, but I don't know.
Yet. Ask him why is he laughing? What's funny?
I don't know. What does that mean? Yeah.
Kugira mu kigande munazimbu oyo azajya filime zo kwagata ko gata n'ukora iki n'ukurongorana
wabwiye na simu mani wabwiye na simu kozi n'ibyari byo
baramubwira ngo ya mu bisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda kwera abaganga batuberera barimo baratweza mumbare mujye mu bisobanura mu Kinyarwanda ikigali ntago ngiye nyibi nutasubira musigane tu bakaba barimo barankwika
iki bari barakubwira iki banza usobanura banza ubwire na simu ibyari byo
What does it Dumba? Let's see, what is it mean?
Let's love.
See, for me, I don't understand what you're saying, honestly. I think maybe if he explains to Dumba in Uganda, then he can translate it.
It's in Kinyarwanda.
No, the way you're reading it, I don't really understand. It probably means something different. You should try to tell Dumba in Uganda. Then he will translate it.
He wrote like 2 words. One is that, and then the next one, I think it's similar to. He told me that I should ask it to any Rwandese. Said.
Okay, you ask Dumba. Dumba probably that one knows
Kinyarwanda. And then.
Dumba knows Kinyarwanda more than I do.
Said Zivya and.
Because it means washing your balls.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You guys, you've been
washing one of your balls.
Oh my God. And then, by Jesus, what did I say? What did I say? And then they said, Guhondibia. Ozi Guhondibia.
Bamuona kuyamabya. Bamuonyeza mazungumzo yao. I want to say who wrote you those words to come and.
I have some stupid friend.
Because they're writing you the wrong words to come and try to say
it. My God, what is it?
That is very inappropriate. It's not appropriate.
But no, but it's the time he's getting. He never met people.
Listen. Say whoever wrote you those words, I don't know. You probably know the words. You're trying to pretend you don't know, but
no,
he doesn't.
Like,
I know Nasim.
They're so harmful to you. They're so harmful to your health, to your body parts, everything. Sure? Yes. It's against human nature.
They wrote like 3 words. Zit, Guho.
No. All of those words are against human nature. They are not meant for humans.
And then the last one is
some things, you know.
And then
the last one, yes.
Then the last one said that
umuntu wamwandikiye umugabo ashobora kuba umubyeyi w'umugabo yakunda. Nibyo kuri amabyaya yahondaguye arayoza arayarigata arayahondagura.
You're going to be fine in Rwanda tomorrow.
Arayasandaza ntareba nabi.
I don't know Kinyarwanda, but I want to know what they mean because
Don't even go further because those words are they are so against.
Write to me in my inbox and you tell me the meaning. I don't know because.
No, you should say it in Luganda. Translate it, Mr.
In Luganda, what does it
mean? This one knows multiple languages. Translate it.
Yeah, translate.
Yeah, say ibyabari ngibyabaza ingwaza bazabanza bari hondi. Bimubwira mu kiganda.
Ibyo mvuga nibyo mubwira.
Hoye ibyo we tusomeye si twabyumvishe se.
Wowe uvuze gute ngo mubwire gute wowe ibyo yasomye ibyo ubibwira mbibwira.
Ngibyo bazari honda niyo cyane.
Nasimo umwaragamye mbuno bajya bajya kuko nkone nege.
Oh yeah, nagari.
Are you sure?
Nibyo byanditse. Sebo.
Yes.
What is written? That's what you wrote. You wrote that.
Hey, are you sure?
Okay, the second one.
The second one is Kugu.
Ibyabaza bazari gat. No, abi sibya kabiri harya.
The first one is Go.
Bazari Honda.
The first one is the second one is Go Ozi Uguhondibia.
Kukonkona.
Knocking.
That's knocking.
Wow. Wow. Guys, what did I say, man? This night, you guys, why did... My God.
Stable, who wrote you those words?
I have something different here. It was different.
Then if you're watching this, I want you to be on the floor laughing.
Kanyara mashira. Umva, Sebo, who wrote you those words?
Some guy is called...
that guy. Where is that guy from? Is he from Rwanda?
From Uganda, but he's from Rwanda, but he's a Ugandan. He was teaching me Kinyarwanda, and he said that his name is called
Mugisha. It's called Mugisha, no?
Mujiporoso.
That is his name. That is his name.
That is his name. That is called.
His name is Mujiporoso.
Honestly, what did I say at this night?
I don't know what this one was dragged today because what is that? I beg. Umva.
And then Haru Honda.
Sharira mubwire uwo muntu wamwandikiye mu magambo ndumva arashaka kumwaka ubugabo. Kuri kw'Imana kubera ko ibintu byose mwandikiye mu bugome. Sinumva ubugome.
Nasib, I want to give you my sister.
Your sister, she might be married.
She's not married. She's young and very searching.
Really?
No way. Sha, nje kubareka show. I wanna leave you guys.
Ako uziko na ugira imico y'abakobwa. Sinarinzi kwigira.
Njewe.
Nasim, you and Lexi look like you guys know each other.
No, it's my first time to see her here.
Here, but not anywhere else.
Yes, only here.
You know her somewhere, but here it's the first time you see her.
No, I've just got to know her.
Today?
Yes, just right now.
Lex Love, this is the first time you meet Nasim. The first time you meet Nasim.
I mazina kwenye siku wa Tanzania say. I kind of know those names from like Tanzanians.
Those funny Muslim names.
Yeah. That's a Ushaka.
No. How come?
Oh, the name. I mean, the name is very common with the Tanzanian. What the fuck? With Tanzanian musician.
Nasim, maybe you have to meet Nasim when you go to Kampala.
Yeah, I didn't like Kampala. No, yo, no, hell no.
What?
Yeah, I didn't like Uganda man. Hey.
You didn't like Uganda man? Uganda man? Why?
I said when I was sitting at Serena eating. And it's always this Baganda men with their smelling mouth. Sometimes they have.
Nasim is a young boy like me.
No, some of them they have mouth odor.
They have what?
Mouth odor.
Frank Rukundo wants to talk to Nasim real quick.
Huh?
Frank Rukundo wants to talk to Nasim. Frank, take a more request. Frank. Hey.